Hello, a very warm good morning, class 8. As we know that we are already in the portion of this algebra, we have already completed the addition as well as the subtraction of algebraic expression and also the diagrammatic sums. Now today our main focus is about the multiplication of algebraic expressions. We have to do the multiplication. Now in this chapter basically you have got multiplication of this category: monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial, and binomial by binomial. These are only technical terms. In order to make you understand, I will go to this portion. Monomial by monomial means where you are supposed to multiply the two algebraic expression single terms. Like this is your exercise 9.2 of your this one multiplication question number 1. A, B, E, and F. I have done it. Let's see. The first example is, or the first question of your book is, multiply 6AP and 2AP. If you focus on 6AP and 2AP, you will see I write 6AP. Since it is multiplication, then I put a multiplication sign into and 2AP. Here what I do, I multiply first the number 6 into 2. That is 6 into 2 is 12. I write it as 12. And see, there are alphabets AP and P. If you remember, there are only one A, so I write one A as A. And there are two p's because the power of this p is 1, this power of this p is 1. According to the law of indices, what they say, when the same base are being multiplied, powers will be added. So the first p has got power 1, second p has got power 1. So I just write 1p and I write 1 plus 1 is 2. So I get 6 2s are 12. There is one a and there are two p's, so p square. So 12 ap square is the answer. Similarly, I have done question B, that there where they have given multiply 5d to the power of 5 and 3d to the power of 10. So my first step is to multiply the number. 5 3s are 15, and there are d here, d to the power of 5 and d to the power of 10. Since it is a multiplication question and there are same bases d, so I write d and I add the power. 5 plus 10 is 15. So it becomes 5 3s are 15 and d to the power of 10 plus 5 is also 15. So the answer is 15 d to the power of 15. Okay. Now I move further. So I have done question number A, question B, C and D. Try to do it yourself because it is a similar type of question. Then my focus is on E and F. If you see in question E, the number is minus 5 and plus 3. So first of all, I multiply the number minus 5 into plus 3. So according to law of indices, minus into minus is always plus, plus into plus is also plus. But whenever we multiply different signs like minus into plus, we get minus. 5 into 3 is 15. Here there is x to the power of 3 and this side there is no x, so I just write x to the power of 3. And here is x, there it has got a power 1, and here here there is y which has got no power means power 1, and here there is y which has got power 4. So same basis powers will be added. So here I have done it. See, y to the power of 1 plus 4. So the answer is minus into plus is minus. 5 3s are 15, x to the power of 3, and 2y, here is 1, here is 4, so y to the power of 5. Similarly, I have done the same type of question for F. Minus 9 into minus 7 is minus into minus is plus. 9 7s is 63. There is only one A, so I write it A, and here is one B, and here are two B's. So power will be added. 1 plus 2 is 3, so be to the power of 3. So this is how I have done the multiplication of monomial with monomial. Okay. So this was my multiplication with monomial where I have used one single term with another single term. Now the other one is where a single term is given and you have to multiply with multiple terms. Like see this question of question number 2 of your textbook. Here 15 is one single term, and the other term it has to be multiplied is 2e to the power of 7 minus 6e to the power of 5 plus 4e to the power of 2 plus 3e to the power of 1 plus 1. So what do you do? The single term you keep it outside and you put a multiplication sign, and then you put a bracket and put all these multiple terms inside. Now what is to be done is that individually one by one you multiply the number and multiply the sign, and alphabet you keep it as it is. Like what I want to say is that 15 into 2 is 30, then e to the power of 7 comes here, then minus is minus. Here I am not multiplying the sign because by default the sign is plus here. So whenever you multiply plus with any number, you will get the same sign. So then 15 into 6 is 90, and e to the power of 5 is written as it is. Then here is a plus sign, so I write plus. 15 fours is 60, and e to the power of 2. Then plus sign is written as plus. 15 threes are 45, and it has got a e, so I write it e. So the plus sign is written as plus, and 15 ones are 15. So what happens is that the outside single term is multiplied each and every time with the term which are present inside the bracket. This is the answer. You can see one more type of similar type of question is D, where what I have been given is there is a long term 15b to the power of 4, all this term, and a single term is 7b. So what I did, I took out 7b, and this long term I have put it inside a bracket. Then individually I have done it. Please see, 7 into 15 is 105. But here what happens, here is b, so you have to multiply b into b to the power of 4. So as per the law of indices, I told you whenever the two same alphabets are being multiplied, the powers will be added. So here power is 1, so 1 plus 4 is 5. And when I multiply the number, 7 into 15 is 105. Similarly, this minus sign I have written at minus. 7 into 4 is 28. And again, what happens here, there is b to the power of 15, and there is b to the power of 1. So b to the power of 16 it comes here. Similarly, again this plus sign is written as it is plus. Then 12 sevens is 84, and here there is b to the power of 1, b to the power of 8. That makes it b to the power of 9. Add the powers. Plus is written as plus, and 7 into this 7 is 49. Here there is b to the power of 1, and there is b to the power of 1. So b to the power of 1 and b to the power of 1. Sorry, here there is b to the power of 2. So this b to the power of 2 and this b to the power of 1 becomes b to the power of 3. I add the power. So these are the multiplications of monomial with a binomial. Okay. Now again, coming to binomial with a binomial, this is interesting. See, here there are two terms given in one bracket. Here also two terms are given in one bracket. The logic is very simple. This first term has to be multiplied with both the terms. Then the second term has to be multiplied with both the terms. Like minus 9 into 3. 9 threes is 27. Minus is minus. 9 threes is 27. And x into x, here the power of x is 1, here the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then this first term is multiplied with this first term. Now this first term has to be gone and multiplied with the second term. So plus is plus into minus into plus is minus. 9x into 1 is 9x. So in this case, you can see the first term is easily multiplied with both the terms. Now second term has to be similarly multiplied with both the terms. So plus into plus is plus. 5 threes is 15, and one single x is written as x. Similarly, plus into plus is plus. 5 ones is 5. This way if you can see, but here this answer is incomplete. So now I will finish it up. If you can see here, I will do this remaining portion. So minus 27 x square is given as it is. So here I have got minus 9x and plus 15x. So 15 is greater than 9. So I'll put plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here is 6x plus 5. This is your answer. This is your answer for binomial to binomial. So this similar type of questions, please try it.